Welcome to eCarePlus, the break-fix program that ensures total protection for your IT hardware. What is eCarePlus? eCarePlus is a break-fix warranty program that provides a fix for your IT hardware should any faults occur. Whether you want to ensure maximum availability or extend equipment lifetime, eCarePlus provides all of the elements of traditional break-fix maintenance. We are here to give you total peace of mind and ensure you are fully prepared for the unexpected. How does it work? Each item of hardware is covered on an annual basis at an agreed service level and at a fixed cost. We support all major hardware types from leading manufacturers including HP, Cisco, Dell, IBM, Lenovo, Fujitsu, and many more. In the event of a fault, our experts are on hand to remotely diagnose the issue and send out a field engineer if the problem cannot be resolved remotely. Our engineer will travel to site, repair the fault, and get your device back up and running in no time. If the item can't be fixed, we will replace the defective hardware. We'll even contact you a day or two later to make sure everything is back to normal. What SLAs can it cover? We have service level agreements to match your needs from next business day to a 2-hour fix and offer 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year service coverage. We have a nationwide network of fully qualified engineers and spare storage facilities spread across the country, meaning we will always meet our SLAs. You will make significant cost savings when choosing eCarePlus, as well as having complete peace of mind that your business-critical hardware is fully protected. Why not get a quote from us today and see how much value eCarePlus can add to you?